Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of replacing the hard drive in your HP 14 Candelas laptop. You'll need a few essential tools to get started: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a spudger or plastic opening tool. First, ensure that your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by turning the laptop upside down to access the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use your spudger to pry open the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. With the back cover off, locate the hard drive. It should be housed in a metal bracket secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure of which screws to remove, remember to consult your HP laptop's manual for specific guidance. Once the screws are out, gently slide the hard drive out of its connector. If you're replacing the hard drive with a new one, make sure to align it properly with the connector. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. Next, if you're transferring data from the old hard drive, you may need to connect it to another computer using a USB adapter. This will allow you to transfer files before disposing of the old drive. If you decide to keep the old hard drive, store it in an anti-static bag to protect it from damage. After connecting the new hard drive, secure it back into place using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that it is firmly connected and there are no loose parts. Before you reattach the back panel, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop with compressed air. This helps prevent dust buildup, which can affect performance. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws to secure it firmly. Be sure to double-check that all screws are tightened properly, as loose screws can lead to issues down the line. Once everything is back in place, turn your laptop right side up and connect it to power. Turn it on and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10. Check to see if the new hard drive is recognized. If it is, you can proceed to install the operating system. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle the installation yourself, remember that we provide a quote before repair and our services include no calls, no travel. This means you can get the help you need without leaving your home. With your new hard drive installed and your laptop ready to go, you're all set. Following these steps will ensure that your HP 14 Candelas runs smoothly with its new hard drive. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.